So far you've learned how to graph scatter plots, find out the strength of the correlation, and we've learned how to graph a line by hand. But we want to come up with what that equation would be approximately using the point slope formula. So here's our example. Is there a relationship between the fat grams and the total calories in a fast food? So here are some data, the sandwiches, the total fat grams, and then calories. So you like your hamburger has 9 total fat grams, total calories. So this is going to be your X values. These are going to be Y values, and we would graph those points. So I just, to save time, you probably know how to graph points now. Here are your fat grams, here's your calories, here's a snapshot. And we could find that mean point somewhere in here and draw that pretty little line. To calculate it with a little easier way, I did put the steps down here in the yellow, but we're going to go ahead and do it one more time. So again, we just pointed out the graph line, or the points, and we're going to use the point slope formula. So we're going to choose 2 points, 9 and then 260. So where did I get that point from? Up here for the hamburger. So I'm just choosing that point. Then I'm going to choose one more, 5 and 300 or 530. Could you choose other ones? Yes. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to use the point slope formula. So we're going to first find the slope. So if you remember, slope is a change of y over the change of x. So we're going to take x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x1. So 530 minus 260 over 30 minus 9. And we get a slope of about approximately 12.857. That's your slope. Then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and plug in a point. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to choose this one and my slope and plug it in the point slope formula. So y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. This is the point slope formula. Point slope formula that you learned in Algebra 1. Okay, so we go ahead and plug that information in. Y minus y sub 1, 12.857, x minus x sub 1. That's in point slope. Hopefully you're comfortable with changing that to slope-intercept form. You would push this over to the other side and distribute. So make sure you do convert that to slope-intercept form, and now you can go out and graph that line a little bit better.